Hi guys, welcome back to Ask Praise by PraiseStevens. We are back on Konge Hill on a development update of Jakana Heights. If you haven't watched our previous videos of us touring the studio, 1 and 2 bedrooms, I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get right into it.
My name is Regan Peter Nkusi and I'm the Director Sales and Marketing at Jakana Heights. We have completed the 21 units of this magnificent 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom and 3, overlooking the city, overlooking the lake. There is a plan for a second phase where we'll have a gym, swimming pool, kids play area, shopping center that we shall complete in about 6 months after commencement of construction. Because we have completed this project for a short period of time, we have decided to give discounts. On the 1 bedroom, we have gone to $110,000 US from 152, which is almost a $30,000 discount. For the 2 bedroom, we have gone down from 165 to 135. So quite a massive reduction on the 1 and 2 bedroom. For the 3 bedroom, we have decided to keep it at the same price, $205,000, because of the space that we are providing for the clients. The 3 bedroom is about 200 square meters, so it is a really massive apartment. Rental figures, the 1 bedroom is at $800, the 2 bedroom starts at $1,500, and the 3 bedroom starts at $2,500 per month. These are prices which we can look at depending on the stay of the client, and those prices can be negotiated. We are also listed on Airbnb. The prices fluctuate. Different seasons have different pricing, so the links will be shared. Get onto the link directly and find out how much the daily rate would be. We accept first the $2,000 down payment. A $2,000 down payment is to take the apartment off the market, and it would initiate us sending all the documentation to your lawyers for them to start the due diligence process. After everything is agreed and the contract is signed, we accept a 25% down payment. 25% down payment, we shall now custom make the apartment to your liking. For example, if you want a red kitchen instead of a white one like we have here, we would change that for you. If you would want tiles changed for you to your specification, we would do that. And then we would go by the contract as agreed. Definitely there are different forms of plans that we give depending on the client. The longest period we have had in terms of payment plan was about 3 years, where the client was paying equal payments for those 3 years. The house comes with the normal fittings, the kitchen fittings, the wardrobes, the plumbing finishings and electricals are all there. We have furnished for some of our clients. For example, this apartment we are in, we furnished it for a client of ours. He liked the furniture, so we are able to do that. The extra costs, there is taxation, definitely stamp duty, which is 1.5. There is processing fees from lawyer to lawyer. In regards to our apartments here, there is obviously a condominium fee, $100 per month to handle your cleaning of the common areas, security, to handle your elevator service, your cleaning of the swimming pool, garbage collection, all that will be under that $100. We have very good relations with big banks like Stanbic Bank, KCB, ABSA, Housing Finance, DFCU. You are looking to get a mortgage, we'd introduce you to our relationship managers and they would give you that offer. We have a very beautiful hotel called Latitude Zero, which is just about 5 minutes drive from here. We have a very good hospital, IHK, which is also just down the road. We have schools like Rainbow, like Heritage, which are international schools which are very nearby. The Luboa International School is also not too far. We have a very big mall called UK Mall, which is just walkable distance from here. We are surrounded by all these great facilities. Restaurants are so many around as well, and yes, you'd be much comfortable here. Our owners mainly obviously use their own private cars, but the ones who come here on Airbnb are able to order their Ubers and they come over here. There is food delivery that is also done easily. They come up here easily. So the transportation system here is fine. If somebody wants to take a walk, get a border from nearby, it's also very easy too. From here to the city center is about 3-4 kilometers. To the airport, I know for a fact it's about a 15-minute drive. The expressway is just a stone throw away from here. You get onto the expressway and you're zooming through. For travelers, it is such a good location for them because you're at the airport with not so much of a hassle. It's a good area to stay if you're a frequent traveler. We have Ugandans who are buying, Ugandans living abroad, some foreigners who have also bought, who think it is a great investment, and they thought that it's good for them to own an apartment here. Yes, it is a mixed group of people who have bought. As soon as you buy, you know, you're given your condominium title. The quality of building is like none other. I am positive that there will not be issues of plumbing, of all this. To give confidence to clients is that we as Jakana would be on the board of the management team, including the owners, but would be on the board for about 3 years before handing over fully, just to make sure that we are part of the whole process of managing the apartment. If there are issues on plumbing or issues on electricity or things like that, we are part of it and responsible in a way. It's 1 parking slot per apartment, but for a 3-bedroom, I would give 2. We are thinking of starting another project not far from here. We are planning to do about 50 units of very high-end apartments with like penthouses and huge apartments which are about 300-400 square meter. We are also planning other projects that we'll let you know when we get them off the ground. Thank you very much for having this interview with us. We welcome everybody to come and visit Jakana Heights. There is nobody who is building like us. I can assure you of this, and you're very welcome to come and visit. We will be more than happy to take you through this project. Thank you.
If this is the kind of content you're interested in, subscribe to our channel. Ring the bell and you'll be notified when we release a new video. We love to hear from you guys, so leave your comments and questions below. If you're interested in this property, visit www.PraiseStevens.com and get your free consultation today. With that said, I'll see you in the next video.